Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy to follow steps on how to enable dark mode on CoinGecko account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, start off by launching open a web browser. As soon as you do that, go to the URL box and type in CoinGecko.com. Press enter on your keyboard after you are done and make sure to log into your CoinGecko.com account. You will then be able to see the white interface displayed on the screen. If you want to change the theme or the color of your background on CoinGecko, simply go to the settings icon at the top right hand corner. Now, toggle on the button right next to dark mode and you will be able to turn on the dark mode feature on CoinGecko.com account. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.